Ooh, wow. Oh, that's what it looks like. Cool, 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 cool. Oh my gosh, this also comes with a wow. It also comes with a case. That's nice. Case USB-C and a pouch for this and this one. Shit, ang kalat ko. But yeah, let's go to the sound test. For comparison, this is how my voice sounds with the phone's built-in mic. So yan, may kita pa tayong electric fan just to give you an idea. So for anyone who's curious, this is how the external mic sounds. So nandito na siya ngayon. And I'm using Android's open camera because my default Samsung camera does not have an option to set the audio source to an external mic. So just so you know, guys. Is this thing on? Ganon. I'm gonna tap this. So yan, legit. Pangarap ko lang ika'y sumaya